हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 4th का EVS2 का लेसन नंबर 12 द सेज ऑफ पुरंदर एंड द ट्रीटी विद द मुगल एम्पायर के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। तो जो भी हम आंसर देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहने वाले हैं ताकि आपको लर्निंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। ए, सूरत वॉज अ ग्रेट सेंटर ऑफ ट्रेड इन द मुगल एम्पायर। बी, मुरारबाजी वॉज इन चार्ज ऑफ द फोर्ट ऑफ पुरंदर। Second, write the answer in one sentence. A, why did Shivaji carried out a raid on a Surat? Answer, Aurangzeb's troops were causing damage to the whole Maharashtra. Hence, to bring the Mughal emperor to his senses, Shivaji carried out a daring raid on a Surat. B, why did Diler Khan lay siege to the Purandar fort? Answer, Diler Khan knew that Shivaji could not be defeated as long as he was the master of Purandar. He therefore laid siege to his powerful fort. C, why did Shivaji entered into treaty with the Mughal emperor? Answer, Shivaji entered into treaty with the Mughal emperor because he wanted to avoid unnecessary loss of life. D, according to the treaty of Purandar, what territory was to be handed over to the Mughals? Answer, Shivaji signed the treaty and according to its term, 23 forts and territory with a revenue of 4 lakh hons, a gold coin, were to be handed over to the Mughal emperor. Third, write the answer in 2 or 3 sentences. A, what did Diler Khan say to Murarbaji on seeing his valor? Answer, Diler Khan said to Murarbaji, until now I have not seen a swordsman like you. You came over our side. I promise you complete safety. The emperor will make you Sardar and reward you with a jagir. B, what did Murarbaji say in return? Answer, Murarbaji said in return to Diler Khan, we are the loyal servants of Shivaji Maharaj who wants to buy safety from you. Why should we come over to your side? And who wants your emperor's jagir? 4. Complete these names from the lesson with the help of given first letters. A, Aurangzeb. B, Purandar. C, Murarbaji. D, Jai Singh. E, Diler Khan. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.